औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम ला इलाहा इल्ला अंता सुब्हानका इन्नी कुन्तु मिनज़-ज़ालिमीन। Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is a continuation of the previous topic, major environmental hazards and their remedies. Today our topic is desertification. What is the desertification? What is the meaning of desertification? The process by which fertile land becomes desert, typically as a result of drought, deforestation or inappropriate agriculture. These are the factors by which a fertile land becomes desert, and this process is known as desertification. What is the desertification? The process by which fertile land becomes desert, typically as a result of drought, deforestation or inappropriate agriculture. Now come to the topic, desertification. Write the heading, reasons of desertification in Pakistan. Allah Almighty has blessed Pakistan with the wealth of fertile land, but the fertile land is changing into desert. Following are some of the important reasons of this decrease. Number one, write the heading, growing the same crop repeatedly. When we grow same crop on a piece of land repeatedly mean again and again, it lessens its fertility. Due to it, the land becomes barren and turned into desert. The same crop decreases the fertility of the soil, so by the repetition of growing of same crop, the land becomes desert. Number two, what is the heading? Excessive grazing in the field. Excessive means too much. Due to excessive grazing in the field, the vegetation is uprooted and it changes land into the desert. Excessive grazing, when the animal keep on grazing in the field in accession, then the vegetation uprooted from their uprooted mean it comes out from their root and changes the land into the desert. Third, write the heading, use of poor method of cultivation. The poor methods of cultivation, cutting of trees, rapidly increasing soil erosion are also the cause of the desertification. Use of the poor method of cultivation means the old method, cutting of trees, excessive cutting of trees, rapidly increasing soil erosion. Soil erosion means removal of the fertile layer of the land from the soil are also the cause of desertification. Number four, write the heading, salinity and waterlogging. Salinity, waterlogging and the fast growing population are also the cause of turning natural land into the desert. Number five, the heading is deforestation. D means removal of the forest. When the forests are cut down to construct buildings, factories and roads, the natural land suffers a lot. Due to the increase in the number of people, the necessities also increases. To fulfill these necessities, we have to construct buildings, factories and roads. So for this purpose, we have to cut down the trees and turn the fertile land or the good quality of land into the land for the building purpose, factories and roads. Number 6, absence of proper care. When natural land is not properly cared for, it turns into desert. It means when it is not properly looked after. If the soil testing process is continued after some time, then the disease will be obvious to the farmer, otherwise it turns into the desert. Come to the fourth point, environmental pollution and its types. Pollution. Pollution is the introduction of contaminant into a natural environment that causes changing in many ways. What is the pollution? Pollution is the introduction of contaminant into a natural environment that causes changes in many ways. Pure and natural environment is inevitable for the proper growth of all living organisms on the earth. We know it very well. The increase in the human population is directly proportional to the increase of the human need of life. It means more human population, the more human needs will be there. This is creating problem lies environmental pollution. Now come to the topic, types of environmental pollution. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. First one is air pollution. Pure air is essential for all the creatures and vegetation, but with the passing day, it is becoming harder and harder to get pure air. Some important causes of air pollution are given below. What are the some causes? Number one, smoke. It includes the smoke rising from the factories, houses, vehicles, brick kiln, fire and cigarettes. These all are the types of the smokes which added to the environment and which causes environmental pollution. Second type, harmful gases. These include chemical fertilizers, pesticide, insecticide sprayed at home, and such gases coming out of the factories and vehicles are injurious to the health. What type of harmful gases and from where they come out? These include the chemical fertilizers. It also contains the gases. Pesticides. Pesticides mean medicines used to kill pests. Insecticide, medicines used to kill insects. Sprayed at homes. Mostly to be insecticides sprayed at home, and such gases coming out of the factories, and also the gases in the chemical factories, the gases coming out of these factories and vehicles are injurious to the health. Third type is the dust. Dust. It includes wind, cyclones and small dust particles that are blown into the air. What? When the cyclone contains many type of the dust particles, and it moves in a circle, and the dust particles that are blown into the air, and the dust particle when collected in a cyclone and they burst into the air, it causes then added dust to the environment, which is also the cause of the pollution. Effects of air pollution. The temperature of the earth is increasing. It is also feared that such climatic changes may occur as can have serious harmful effect on human beings, animals and crops. Due to this smoke and chemical and gases and such type of the injurious material which added in the air, so by this process the temperature of the earth is increasing, and it is feared that climatic changes, such type of climatic changes may occur which affects the human beings, animal and crops. Second type is water pollution. Like air, water is also an essential element for life. Although 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, yet according to the research, only 3% of it is drinkable. It is a fact that 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, but the usable or consumable water is just 3% of it. Day by day, water is becoming polluted. Some important causes of water pollution are as under. Write the heading. Important causes of water pollution. Number 1. Releasing of polluted water. The polluted water of houses and industries is released into the river and canals. It has biocidal effect on the crop as well as aquatic life. It is very dangerous because how the dirty water from the homes and the factories, when it is released to the rivers and canal, then all the water become acidic, and this biocidal effect on it has an acidic effect on the crops as well as the aquatic life. Aquatic life means fish and other animals which are present in the rivers. Sewerage system. The polluted water of the houses through sewerage system seep into the ground and pollute the underground water. The sewerage system of our houses, through the sewerage system, this dirty water when seep into the ground and it pollute the underground water which is used for our which we use from the in the form of wells and bore system. We get this underground water. Number 3. Drainage water. The drainage water is released into the rivers and canal. It pollutes the water. Number 4. Use of the pesticide. When pesticides are sprayed on the crops, they are absorbed into the ground. This also makes the underground water polluted. We use pesticide sprays on our crops. For this, we want to get a good yield of the crop, but when this pesticide absorb in the water, they seep into the underground water and make it polluted. Number 5. Use of the chemical fertilizers. Various kinds of chemical fertilizers are used for the agriculture purposes. We want to get the best yield of our crop, so we use fertilizers. They are absorbed into the ground to make the underground water polluted. When we use it for long terms, then it soaks in with the water and gets to the underground water, reaches to the underground water and it is polluted. Effects of water pollution. Number 1. Water pollution is increasing the diseases in the open area. Number 2. The number of patients is increasing day by day because people are suffering from the diseases caused by the water pollution such as cholera, hepatitis, typhoid, skin diseases, eye diseases and many other diseases. Number 3. Water pollution is not only harmful to the human beings but also to the aquatic life. Aquatic life. Number 4. It may affect the income of the people associated with the fishing. Now come to the point again. Effect of the water pollution. Water pollution is increasing the disease in the open areas. Number 2. The number of patients increasing day by day because people are suffering from different diseases. What type of diseases? Cholera, hepatitis, typhoid and skin diseases. Number 3. Water pollution is not only harmful for the human beings but also for the aquatic life. Aquatic life, the life present in the water. In which type of life? The fish, turtle, crabs. Number 4. It may affect the income of the people associated with the fishing. Number 3. Soil pollution. Major causes of soil pollution are as under. Releasing used water of houses and factories, spraying pesticides on the crop, using the chemical fertilizers, natural disasters such as earthquake, as flood, salinity and waterlogging, heaps of domestic and industrial wastage. What is the cause of the soil pollution? Releasing of used water of houses and factories. Number 2, spraying of insecticide and pesticides and chemical fertilizer. Natural disasters such as earthquake and floods also affect the soil and its soil become pollutant. Salinity and waterlogging is also a cause of the soil pollution, and heaps of the domestic and industrial wastage also cause the pollution of the soil, and soil gets polluted by all these means. Effects of soil pollution. Soil pollution may pose a serious threat to the food production. The world may suffer for the shortage of food. Fast increasing soil pollution is much harmful to the crop, forest and wildlife. How the soil pollution it badly affects the crops, forest and the wildlife. Fourth type of pollution is the noise pollution. Unnecessary and unwanted sound is called noise. What is noise? Unnecessary and unwanted sound is called noise. The noise produced by buses, wagons, cars, rickshaw, aircraft, drums, hawker, loudspeaker, different types of horns, machines and other types of noise are increasing noise pollution day by day. These are all the causes of the producing of noise. This type of pollution is more in the cities as compared to the villages. And this type of the noise pollution is present more in cities than in village, because in village vehicles are in less amount and number of people are not as much as in the cities. Effect of the noise pollution. Effect of the, now we will study the effect of the noise pollution. Noise affect our faculties of hearing, thinking and working. It means it badly affects the human capabilities. Noise pollution has negative effect on the human health. Human health becomes affected just because of this noise pollution. It may causes high blood pressure, anxiety, rashness and headache. Now students, this topic I have completed this topic, and so we have completed the major, what is our main topic? Major environmental hazards and their remedies. Okay students, thank you.